Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have a barbecue pepperoni chicken pizza. And the dough, again, I just bought it at my local grocery store. Usually most grocery stores, deli, will sell pizza dough. Or you can buy it from a local pizza place usually. But I did make the sauce myself, and here's how I made the sauce. 28 ounces of tomato sauce, a tablespoon of olive oil, 3 cloves of minced garlic, a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of balsamic vinegar, a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, and a quarter teaspoon of red pepper flakes. I placed it all in a crock pot on low and let it just kind of sit and stew for at least an hour before I made the pizza. And now I'm going to add some Colby Jack cheese. And then we want to add some chicken that I chopped up. And then, of course, add some pepperonis. And then pop this into a 500-degree oven for, I don't know, like 10 minutes, basically, till the edges are golden brown and the cheese is all ooey gooey and wonderful. And once it's done, you should be left with something looking a little bit like this. Oh, but I said this was a barbecue pizza. Hold on. So the barbecue sauce is the sweet barbecue sauce I used in all the pork videos I did. And, yeah. Barbecue pepperoni chicken pizza. Done.